What's up, guys? Welcome back. Tanjiro and what's his name? Rengoku. Yeah. Oh, my brain, no work. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pose. If I go too fast. So split portrait, already divided my page down the middle. Easy way of doing it is just like fold your page in half to find perfect middle, and then you can draw a line up. So let's go. Tanjiro's eye. Curved line. Up and down like so. And of course, Demon Slayer, we kind of have these kind of real sharp corners on the eyes, like this kind of thing. And then it will go up across, down to there, and color this black. And we have like an extra sort of line sticking off here. Maybe two. We'll start with one. We'll do another one as well. Like a line just going that way. And then, so start like eyelash lines just. Straightening things up, right? And then bottom eyelid, so it's like a V, so it goes down, changes direction up, like so, and then we got like some hatching lines there. His eyelid line, just above that, and then comes across like this. So his iris, right? So it's like comes down from the top eyelid, I think. Gotta check. Where's my image gone? Where's my reference image gone? There. Boop. Okay. So yeah, like real big, right? So it comes down. And it's not a circle, surprisingly enough. It's this sort of angled line. That. And then on the inside we have a kind of a white diamond, or sort of, you know, this kind of thing. It's again not perfectly circular, which is much easier for us. And around that then we've got like these black spikes. Like so, and in here is black. Just add some sort of lines coming off here, just in the corner. Okay, eyebrow, real big, right? Real big and kind of pointy. Goes up. It changes direction down to there. This way. Gets real thin at the back, down. Then maybe like a line just for his nose or something there. Speaking of nose, we can just see a nostril here, and then some like hatching just on the side of his nose, like there. Then his mouth, smiling. Sort of simple sort of smile. Because sometimes you'll have these like dimples just on the corner of his mouth. Like that. And then we have that diamond shadow underneath his chin. And then his chin will go this way, right? I'm going to color his eyebrow black as well. Right, so we do his jaw. So it just comes this direction. Right, and about mouth level, you change direction and go up the side of his face. And his sort of, what would you say? I guess it's kind of headline, right? It keeps going, right? So up to the eyebrow here, but then we keep going. And we'll add like some hair spikes around like that. That's the general shape for his head. And then we have a scar. Just coming around here. And then some lines on the inside. Like so. Maybe another there. So Tanjiro's hair. So we got like hair spike here. Up to there. And then we can just see his earlobe in under that. And like the top of it just coming around in there. And then that earring hangs down from his ear. There. And you could do it square straight on, or you could do it like kind of dynamic. Kind of like this. So you just do like 2 lines and then join them. Another one going that way. A sun, like so, and then the earth, and then rays. It's a real sort of Japanese symbol. Rays of sunlight just coming down. I suppose it represents the sun bathing, really, but it's very Japanese looking. Then the rest of his hair. So just here, hair spike, another one going up this way, down, and then up. Here, and we can't fit in all of his hair, but we'll just go right up to the top of the page like that. So the thing about Tanjiro's hair is he's got these, you know, highlights on them, I guess is what I call them. So these red sort of hair spike highlights, right? And you kind of have to draw them because it really makes his hair stand out, and anime characters, you know, their hair is kind of important. It's like a unique feature. And then it's kind of easier around here because you just follow the sort of edge. You just add a little red highlight to the edge here. And like up here as well. And there's some that come across this way. And then, so neckline here just comes down. And then his collar across here and down. And then we can see his shoulder just here. Comes across there. And then that white collar of his comes across like so. And you'll have like some fold lines coming across there. And then this extra edge line on his collar, neckline there. And I think we can see one of those green checkered things here, I think. And maybe like a few hair spikes coming out from behind his neck. Like that. Right, so that's Tanjiro. So if you wanted a tutorial on how to draw half of Tanjiro's face, that's it. You can log off now. But let's go and do Rengoku over the other side. Okay, so let's just start with his eye. And things sort of line up. So like we'll start with his eye just across here, right? Different shaped eye, of course. So we curve it up like so. And then this kind of curves back down, right around. And we can see his tear duct, like so. So now we're going to thicken this up. So we're going to thicken up this line. Right, so we're going to go up and over. And he has a spike at the back going up that way. Bring it back down. A little bit thicker at the corner. And then you color this black. Okay, and like some extra lines just around his eye. And then his iris, so like a circle. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It's got these angles as well, kind of like Tanjiro's. Just there. His pupil on the inside. And then the bullseye sort of red area around that. Like so. His eyelid line, just here, kind of going that way. It's kind of up underneath his eyebrow, so it touches his eyebrow, which has two sort of spikes just on the edge of it here. And then like a nose line or something there. So his nostril, kind of like Tanjiro's, just here. And some hatching on the side. And his mouth, so a big sort of smile. With a dimple on the end again. And then some shadow there. And his face, his chin, lines up with Tanjiro's, comes up to his jaw, which stops sort of about his mouth level and underneath the corner of the eye, and then you keep curving there and go up. Same as Tanjiro. When it comes to spikes, maybe bigger spikes than Tanjiro's. Right, like that, kind of like a love heart shape. So he's got this long hair, right, that comes down here. So this sort of side pieces of hair, right, that goes down here. And like another line. That, and then his ear you can see in here, like so. And then so the rest of his hair spiking, Some texture lines just on his hair going this way. Like so, and then I think we have some more hair just coming down the back here. All these spikes. Because he's got really long hair that goes down his back. Right, so this would be like his shoulder line there. So then his neck and his collar just comes underneath his chin there. And he's got that white part as well, kind of like Tanjiro. Like that, and then some like fold lines there, and then maybe some texture coming up that way. But that's it, guys. There you go. Hope it's helpful. Tanjiro Rengoku split portrait. Hope it's helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.